Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived two lifelong friends named Lily and Sarah. Their friendship had withstood the tests of time, filled with shared laughter, secrets, and unbreakable bonds. However, a terrible misunderstanding shattered their connection, leaving them estranged and burdened by resentment. Years passed, and the weight of their broken friendship lingered heavily in their hearts. One day, fate intervened, guiding them to the village's ancient oak tree where a wise old woman named Grandma Elsie resided. Known for her profound insights and healing touch, Grandma Elsie sensed the pain within Lily and Sarah. With warmth in her eyes, Grandma Elsie beckoned the two friends to sit beneath the tree's comforting shade. She spoke of the power of forgiveness and the healing it could bring. She shared tales of others who had mended fractured relationships through compassion and understanding. Moved by Grandma Elsie's words, Lily and Sarah embarked on a journey towards forgiveness. They sought solace in their shared memories, recognizing the beautiful moments they had once cherished. Slowly, the walls they had built around their hearts began to crumble. One evening, as the sun painted the sky with hues of gold, Lily and Sarah met by the riverside. Tears welled up in their eyes as they acknowledged the pain they had caused each other. With trembling voices, they asked for forgiveness, understanding the transformative power of those heartfelt words. In that moment, a wave of liberation washed over them, releasing the chains of resentment they had carried for far too long. Their friendship, once fractured, was now reborn, stronger and more resilient than ever before. Lily and Sarah embarked on a new chapter of their lives, vowing to cherish their friendship and nurture it with compassion. They discovered that forgiveness was not a sign of weakness, but a testament to the strength of their bond. Together, they embarked on countless adventures, creating new memories filled with joy and love. The village marveled at the transformation of Lily and Sarah's friendship. Their story became a beacon of hope, reminding others of the profound healing that forgiveness could bring. The power of their journey towards forgiveness rippled through the village, inspiring others to seek solace and mend broken relationships. And so, the tale of Lily and Sarah teaches us that forgiveness holds the key to healing and restoring fractured connections. It reminds us that the bonds we share with others are worth fighting for, and that the power of forgiveness can transform even the deepest wounds. May their story inspire us all to embrace forgiveness on our own journeys towards healing and wholeness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more inspirational stories.